Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge has been generating buzz, and newly leaked renders give us a closer look at what to expect. As the official launch nears, the latest images showcase the device in three elegant colors: titanium jet black, titanium silver, and titanium icy blue. These shades align with the other models in the S25 series, though Samsung might introduce exclusive online color variants, giving buyers more choices. The design stays true to Samsung's modern approach, featuring a flat Infinity O display, slim bezels, and a flat frame. This gives the device a clean and premium appearance. On the back, the S25 Edge takes a minimalist route with a dual camera setup and an LED flash, unlike other models in the lineup that include 3 or more cameras. The primary sensor is rumored to have a massive 200 megapixel resolution, while the second lens is expected to be a 12 megapixel ultra-wide shooter. This simplified camera setup may appeal to users who prefer a sleek design while still capturing high-quality images. The display is expected to be a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with a resolution of 2400 x 1080, delivering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. This should make the device excellent for media consumption, gaming, and everyday tasks. Samsung is likely equipping it with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, the same high-end processor found in the rest of the S25 lineup. This chipset promises smooth performance, ensuring fast multitasking, gaming, and overall efficiency. One area that might raise some concerns is battery capacity. The S25 Edge is rumored to feature a 3,900 mAh battery, which seems a bit small for a phone with such a powerful processor and high-resolution display. However, Samsung could introduce software optimizations to improve power efficiency, helping users get through a full day on a single charge. A major highlight of this device is its incredibly slim design. Although the official dimensions are yet to be confirmed, leaks suggest that it could be just 5.8 millimeters thick. If true, this would make it one of the slimmest smartphones available, offering a lightweight and premium feel. However, this ultra-thin profile may come at the cost of certain hardware features. Unlike other S25 models that include a dedicated telephoto lens, the S25 Edge might rely on software-based zoom enhancements rather than optical zoom. While this could impact zoom quality, computational photography techniques may help compensate for the lack of extra lenses. Samsung is rumored to launch the Galaxy S25 Edge in April, but it might not host a major launch event. This suggests that the company sees this model as a more specialized offering rather than a mainstream flagship. Pricing is expected to fall between the Galaxy S25 Plus and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with estimates ranging from $999 to $1,299. The final price will likely determine how well it competes with other premium devices, especially those offering more camera features at similar price points. The leaked renders and details suggest that the Galaxy S25 Edge will appeal to users who prioritize design, portability, and a high-quality display. While some compromises have been made, such as a smaller battery and fewer camera lenses, the focus on an ultra-thin profile and a powerful chipset makes it an exciting option for those who prefer a sleek and stylish smartphone. What are your thoughts on the Galaxy S25 Edge? Does its slim design and high-resolution camera interest you, or do you prefer a device with more hardware features? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphones. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.